We're going to use an AI tool called ZipWP to build our entire website automatically. But first, we need to create a free account. Use the link in the description to navigate to ZipWP's website. Click Get Started in the upper right, scroll to the bottom, and under the free plan, click Get Started. You can sign up with Google or email. I'll use email. Verify your email, and you might see an onboarding flow. Just skip through it. Once you're signed up, close that tab and head back to your WordPress dashboard. Now we need to install starter templates. This plugin gives us access to ZipWP's AI builder right inside WordPress. Click Add Plugin, search for Starter Templates, then click Install Now. And when the button changes, click Activate. The plugin will launch the AI builder where we'll tell it what to build. Select Build with AI. Type your site name, select your business category, and update the language if needed. Now, describe your site in detail. The more specific you are, the better your site will be. For example, type who you are, what you do, where you're located, and who you serve. Then click Improve using AI to have the AI refine your prompt. Review the new prompt, edit if you want to, then click Next. Enter the contact info and add social media profiles you want to appear on the website. Next, select some images for your site. Choose at least 10 images you like from the stock photo options, or upload your own. Then click Next. At the top, change the dropdown from Block Editor to Elementor. This gives you a user-friendly drag-and-drop builder. Next, the AI generates some design previews. Select one you like, and avoid the premium options if you want to keep it free. Upload a logo if you have one, but if not, I'll show you how to add one later. Pick a font pair and color palette that matches your brand. Then click Continue. Check which features you want for your site. I recommend keeping SEO enabled. Then click Start Building. Now we need to connect our ZipWP account. Click here to log in, click Get Started next to the free plan, then Start Building and confirm the credit usage. ZipWP is now building your entire website. This takes a few minutes. All right, the AI has finished building your website. Let's check out what it created. When you get the confirmation message, click See Your Website. This opens your new site in a new tab. Scroll through and check out what the AI built for you. The AI has written all the copy, selected and placed images, created multiple pages, and even set up things like contact forms and blog pages. It's a fully functional website right out of the gate.